Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log into your Society6 artist account. Whether you're a new artist or a seasoned creator, having access to your account is essential for managing your artwork and sales. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Go to the Society6 website. Type www.society6.com in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Society6 homepage. Step 3. Click on the login button. Look for the login button, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email address. In the login form, you'll first need to enter the email address associated with your Society6 artist account. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you forget your password, there's an option to reset it right from this screen. Step 6. Click on the login button. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the login button to access your account. Step 7. Explore your dashboard. After a successful login, you'll be directed to your artist dashboard, where you can manage your artwork, check sales, and update your profile. That's it. You've successfully logged into your Society6 artist account. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips.